Welcome to Feast Like a Beast with Remy and
Mary!
I'm here too.
On today's episode of Feast Like a Beast, we will be talking about the Maillard reaction, which was named after the French chemist Louis Camille, who was the first to describe the reaction between amino acids and sugar back in 1912. By definition, the Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acids and sugars that gives food that browns when heated its distinctive flavor. The three items we will be cooking throughout this video are chocolate chip cookies, bacon, and onions. These items have all endured the Maillard reaction because they have a different flavor after being browned through cooking processes. Shortly after the 1950s, mechanisms and the Maillard reaction's connections to its impacts on taste became more developed. In 1973, an American chemist, John E. Hodge, published a mechanism for the steps in this reaction, which identified the stages and products that are produced in this reaction. Based on a study completed in 2002, the discovery was made that a carcinogenic compound, acrylamide, was produced in a reaction involving fast food. This reaction is a form of non-enzymatic browning that occurs around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, often in an oven or a pan over a stove. The higher the temperature for the reaction, the darker the browning appears in the food. Not only does this chemical reaction bring a color change to the food, but it also produces hundreds of flavor combinations that make the foods more desirable to eat when cooked. This reaction can also occur in foods with high milk protein concentrate because of the presence of lactose. Lactose acts as a reducing sugar, which is necessary for a non-enzymic browning reaction to occur. The chemical formula for this reaction in words would be sodium hydrocarbonate yields sodium bicarbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. On a less positive note, some of the Maillard end products may be toxic or carcinogenic. Acrylamide is a potential toxic compound, especially found in products like French fries baked in temperatures above 180 degrees Celsius. The Maillard reaction may also reduce the nutritional value of a product when its carbohydrates and amino acids are worn down due to the high heat it is cooked under. Furthermore, this reaction also slowly occurs in our bodies and can possibly be connected to the formation of cataracts and other medical conditions due to the wearing down of the body's helpful proteins through the Maillard processes. As you can see here in this last clip, in just a short few seconds on the stove, the onions began to brown due to the Maillard reaction.
A carbon group on sugar reacts with an amino acid's amino group, which is a protein. This produces an N-substituted glycosamine, and the glycosamine isomeres, which are one molecule transformed into another molecule with the same atoms, by an amatory rearrangement to form a ketosamine. The types of products formed by the ketosamine can further react in many ways to create many different products. The Maillard reaction is also a decomposition reaction. Science is currently very important and is constantly being researched. There are advances in the field as cooking becomes more important. Food science is being used to try to create a solution to the world hunger problem. Moreover, the chemical reaction has not influenced a particular time period because it is commonly found in cooking, baking, and even our bodies. Its importance has moved constantly from time period to time period without a constant impact.
And that's it for this week's episode of Feast with the Beast. We'll see you next time talking about how Remy burned down an entire kitchen. Bye!